guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. I cannot wait to share with you several DIY Dollar Tree gift ideas. So these gift ideas are just going to be a super inexpensive way to cheer up somebody's holiday. So I know the holidays can be really tough for some people, and sometimes we just need to give somebody like a little hug in a tub. I know that's super cheesy and corny, but in this video I just wanted to share with you guys how you can spend a teeny tiny amount and really brighten somebody's day with some holiday cheer. So without further ado, let's get into these DIY Dollar Tree gift ideas. So for our first Dollar Tree DIY gift idea, we are going to do a message of hope jar. So for the message of hope on the outside of the jar, it is written, "One day at a time, you never know until your world turns upside down how much it means to have a friend who believes in you, and I do. I'll be there for you one day at a time." This beautiful jar with these messages inside. On the pink notes, it's a friend message, and on the white notes, it's scripture. And this pink note says, "When you share a friend's burden, both of you will walk a little straighter." So for the DIY Dollar Tree jar, I'm just using a jar that I found at the Dollar Tree. You guys could also use any kind of jar that you have at home. I'm also using some paint swatches. I had picked these up for some different paint colors for the man cave, and I'm just writing out the message of hope for the front part of the label. I wanted to handwrite it because I wanted to make it just a little bit more personal, and I have a very special friend in mind for this jar that I know is going through a tough time. My cousin originally gave me this jar when I was going through a really tough time, so I just want to pass this love on. And I know through the holidays it can be a very difficult time for people, so this is a great idea for somebody who needs a lift up, or for just that special friend that's been there for you. So I'm using another paint swatch, and then I just cut a red circle out for the front of the jar. For the guide, I used the top of this jar, and I'm gonna cut two sides out because I don't want to show through. This is a paint swatch, and so I'm just gluing them together. And then once I have them glued together, I'm gonna glue them onto the front of the jar. Now that I have my messages of hope jar label glued onto the front of my jar, I'm just going to use this Dollar Tree blank note card, and I'm going to cut strips. What I want to do is I want to write some scripture on one strip, and then on the other one I want to write some friend notes. These are encouraging words that I'm hoping will really lift my friend up. And also, to make it a little bit more festive, I'm just adding in some tinsel to the bottom of the jar, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid back on. And then around the jar I wanted to use this twine that I had left over from one of my DIY projects. I thought it made it look really cute and sweet and festive, and this friend is very not so girly different from me, so I didn't want to go too over the top with her jar, but I did want to add this little extra special touch at the top. I just cut out another little red goodie, and this is a heart. I'm really hoping when she gets a note out of this jar, it just warms her heart. So here it is. I think it's really beautiful. It's really simple. It cost about $1 to do with a lot of love. So for this one, all you need is a little bit of time, a little bit of love, and then also some messages. And I'm going to put some messages up on my Olivia's Romantic Home blog. Hopefully I'll figure out how to do printables for you all, but for right now I'll just give you guys some inspiration for what you might want to put in your friend's hope jar. And for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to do some what I call hugs in a tub. So these are little Dollar Tree tubs, and they come 2 for $1. For the first one, I want to do a little tub of love for somebody that loves to bake, or a grandparent. We did these at my house. So this is just the Dollar Tree sugar cookie mix, and then Dollar Tree also carries these cute little cookie cutters. And so then I'm just going to add some sweet little gift wrapping paper to the back to kind of fluff it up and make it look just a little bit more festive. And so I think these are an amazing little gift for a project, for a funsy thing to do. I have this in mind for my kids' grandparents because I had so much fun making sugar cookies for my kiddos. I thought they might want to share in the fun as well. So here it is with the little sugar cookies, the cookie cutters. I did add a little hot cocoa candy cane and a little lollipop as well. And here are some clips of my kiddos, me and my nieces. We made the sugar cookies. Everybody got to make 2, and I think there were 4 or 5 of us helping out. We had so many laughs and giggles because I struggle to make sugar cookies, and the sugar cookies turned out okay. They weren't the best cookie. I don't really know what we did wrong. It might have been that we used a little bag from Dollar Tree, but we had so much fun making them. We laughed so hard, and I think they actually turned out really cute. I'm not sure how they tasted, but they looked really cute. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY hug in a tub idea, I am just going to stuff some of these little goodie bags. These are like little hot cocoa goodie bags that match these little tubs. They are so sweet. They're the perfect size for a little snack bag. So you can get lollipops or just different candies from Dollar Tree. And so this hug in a tub I want to make up for just a friend maybe that's going through a tough time. So I use this little red Dollar Tree mug. I'm putting in some cappuccino and some hot cocoa, and also I think these would make a really great teacher gift, a coworker gift, just when you need that little extra warm up. I know for us, we love to make hot cocoa. It's just our thing. And so sometimes it's just nice to sit down with a little sweet treat and some hot cocoa. This is very inexpensive, budget friendly, and it's just a nice little thoughtful thing to do. And if you wanted to personalize it, you could add in an ornament. You could add in a sweet card with a family photo. For whoever it's going to, I think it'll definitely bring a sweet smile to their face. And for this one, I'm actually going to give it to my daughter's teacher. So I added this cute little candy cane ornament with this green bow tied in the front. It's very festive and very sweet and very budget friendly. Another thing that I love from Dollar Tree are their old Williamsburg candles. They're really cute in these little mason jars, and they actually smell really delicious and put off a very fragrant smell. And then for the hot cocoa idea, we did make up a little hot cocoa bar with everything from the Dollar Tree. It is one of our favorite things in the world to do. For the next Dollar Tree Hug in a Tub DIY, we're going to create some little hugs for kiddos. So Dollar Tree carries Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh. My kiddos loved Play-Doh. They would sit forever, and it was something I would love to sit to do with them. So this is actually, I'm making this with my nephew in mind. So I chose the red and blue Play-Doh and then a packet of hot cocoa because, like I said, when the kiddos are at my house, they love to make hot cocoa. And then I'm just making him up a little goodie sweet treat bag because he is my little candy guy. He loves sweet treats. And also I'll probably end up popping in like a little car or maybe some Legos. And for this next one, this is for my niece Brookie. She loves My Little Ponies, and Dollar Tree's carrying these really cute little ponies. I also included some Play-Doh for her because she's 4 and I know she really loves to play with Play-Doh. And I'm just adding in some tissue and of course some sweet treats. I love getting little sweet treats. These Hershey Kisses are so sweet and delicious and just the perfect little treat. I also love to put these in the bottom of my hot cocoa as well. So there it is for the kiddos, just these cute little fun treats. And Dollar Tree's also carrying some really neat like little handheld kind of games and different things like that. There are also some great ideas to pop into these little hugs in a tub if maybe you're going for the older kids. For the next Dollar Tree DIY gift idea, I found one of these really beautiful little pink sparkling makeup bags. I think these could also be used as a pencil bag or a school bag or a note bag. But just I added in this cute little fluffy pink keychain. I love their keychains. I actually buy all my keychains from Dollar Tree. And then I'm adding in a packet of cappuccino and hot cocoa, some sparkling lip gloss. They actually have some really nice lip gloss at Dollar Tree. Of course, a hot cocoa candy cane just to warm up that hot cocoa drink. Some tissue, and voila, this is such a sweet package. I definitely have my teen nieces in mind for this. And of course, I can't resist also giving them some little goodie bags of candy just to sweeten up their day and brighten up their holiday. I love these little gift ideas. I love the size of these little tubs because you can really personalize them without feeling like you have to spend a ton, but they're just big enough and not too big, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But look how sweet this is and how cute it is. And again, you could still add some different little things here and there if you wanted. For the next Dollar Tree DIY hug in a tub, we are going to add one of the Dollar Tree bath bombs that's in those cupcake shapes. Dollar Tree has really done a great job this year of having a ton of great bath bombs. And so I also added in this sweet little brush that has like a really pretty decorative rose candle. I love the details on it. And this little XOXO sign, which I thought was really cute and perfect for a teen girl's room. And then I'm adding in some of these candy packets. Now these little hugs in a tub are amazing gifts just to keep on hand. So you guys think about people that you just definitely want to give a gift to, or maybe somebody that's given a gift to you and you'd like to give them something as a thank you or to let them know you're thinking of them. So here's another really super fun idea. I'm doing this one kind of more for the guys. So you just take a shoebox and you take some decorative paper, and since this is a guy's kind of box, I am using kind of this more darker, manlier paper, and then you just run the tape along the top part of the box and you measure and fit the wrapping paper to the box, and then you tape it down all along the edges because you don't want the top part of the wrapping paper to come loose, and that just gives it a little bit of a cleaner edge. So for my guys, I really like to treat them with little food snacks, so this will allow you to put in like a bigger bag or a big treat bag of like chips or a big soda bottle or something like that. So for the ends, you just fold the end over, back under, and over again, and then you tape that off. So I just tape all along the edges, around the bottom. You're going to fold it over and in, and then fold that flap up and then around the top edge, and then tape that off, and then you have this really cute little gift box. You guys can customize this actually for really any age. It's a great way to repurpose a shoebox. Then you put some tissue in the back. I'm adding in some Under Armour cleaning wipes, some tire cleaner, some snacks, a big bottle of Gatorade. This is a great gift for a guy for sure, especially one that, you know, likes to work on his car. This was actually for my teen son. For the next DIY gift idea, this is actually going to be a way to repurpose and reuse those gift bags. So we all have cute gift bags, and I love to cut my gift bags up, especially if they have like a store saying on the outside, and make them into tags. I think this is super great. Easy way to recycle. Bath and Body Works has these really cute little blue and white kind of check gingham. You can use a gift tag hole punch, or you guys can just cut them out by hand. Either works super great, and I like to make up a bunch in advance and then sit down and do a huge present wrapping session. And if I already have these on hand with a little bit of twine, they make a really cute little kind of customized gift tag, and you haven't spent anything and you've also recycled. I also get these really sweet bags from my Aunt Janice, and so I love this color. It's that beautiful kind of Tiffany blue. These are going to be beautiful on some packages as well. And then Victoria's Secret has the prettiest pink bags. I love their bags. I love to find a way to repurpose and reuse them, and using them to make tags with is amazing. Do several of these up in advance, like I said, and you guys will be set to go with all of your gift tags. For For this last DIY gift idea, I just found this beautiful photo storage box at Michael's, and I'm going to put some tissue in the bottom to kind of pretty it up. I found this beautiful Bloom Where You're Planted sign at Dollar Tree. This is going to make an amazing gift for that really special best friend in your life, or your mom, or your sister, or maybe your grandma. And then this really sweet little Eiffel Tower sign that you could use on your desk or in your bedroom. I'm also adding in these really sweet little candy canes that I DIY'd, some extra pink sparkling gift bags, some sweet little straws, this beautiful vintage pink teacup and saucer, some lotion. Of course, I cannot resist adding in some hot cocoa and also some cappuccino. This gift box is going to be so perfect for that favorite, absolutely most special friend, and I cannot wait to share with you all what we're going to do with this. Okay, you guys, I have been so excited to give away this box of goodies. I cannot wait to share this with one of you all. All you guys have to do to enter this giveaway is comment and let me know what is the cheesy nickname that I always refer to my husband as, Mr. So if you guys have been following me at all, you'll know this one for sure. So to enter this giveaway, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment and let me know what is that super cheesy name that I give my husband. You guys, I love you so much. I cannot wait to spoil one of you all and also look for more giveaways. This one for the big box of pink goodies is going to be announced on December 15th, but I will be sharing more giveaways. So I cannot wait, you guys. This is a season of giving. I love giving back to you all, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got some super fun gift ideas. So I just wanted to give a comment shout out to Saving with Miss Stephanie J. She says, Miss Olivia, I have not put up a tree or decorated for Christmas in about 7 years because my daughter is grown and it's just me. Since watching you for about 6 months, I have not only put up my tree, but I have decorated the house. Thank you so much for being an inspiration. Stephanie, thank you for that comment. It just lets me know that what I'm doing here with my videos is above and beyond what I could have ever imagined my channel to be. You're not the only person that has commented and let me know that I'm helping inspire you all to get up and get motivated and craft and to clean and to cook and to decorate. So if I can do that for you guys, I'm eternally grateful. Thank you all so much. You are a light in my life. The joy that you put back into my heart, I hope I'm giving back to you. So thank you all so much for that beautiful comment. So thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you guys are loving some of these little cute and easy, inexpensive DIY gift ideas. You guys, it's so easy to show somebody how much you care without spending a ton. So I love you so much. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Click the subscribe button. The little bell will notify you guys every time I upload a new video. I love you so much. Thank you so much, and we will talk to the next video. Bye-bye.